It is hard to identify the dent due to the reflect light for the car. You can use the light board to help you find the dent and mark it with marking pen. When it has strongest viscosity, you can check it with your hand. And buckle the middle hole of the bridge with the rod of the tab after aiming at them, and put the nut on the connecting rod, and then spin the nut continually till repaired. Hold the handle to press downwards gradually till its surface flattens. Spray the alcohol on the residue glue and then clean it up with the scraper.
Before repair. After repair.